Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Kellyanne Class.
Well, we're beginning a slow warm up on the way today as high temperatures will be about 10 degrees what we saw yesterday with highs into the mid 40s. That's well below our average of 53 degrees, and we will be into the low to mid 50s by later on this afternoon. As we head on throughout the rest of the daytime hours today, that's all thanks to sunshine and a little bit of a ridge of high pressure building on in. So highs will be into about the mid 50s, 53 to potentially 56 degrees here in Lubbock, with some areas reaching about 55. And even though it's going to be warmer than it was yesterday, we're still starting off this morning pretty chilly. Temperatures right now are into the teens and 20s, but when you factor in this westerly wind at about 10 miles per hour, this is what it feels like outside right now. Feels like 9 degrees in Lubbock, feels like 8 degrees in Morin, 6 degrees in Muleshoe and Friona, same thing in Tulia. So it's cold. Bundle up, wear those layers, hats, gloves, and scarves as well. You don't need any of the snow boots or rain boots because we're not experiencing any rainfall this morning. Outside in Friona, we are waking up to clear conditions, and that's helping to give us those cold conditions this morning as well. We're going to keep mostly sunny skies throughout the rest of the daytime hours today. Really abundant sunshine, and that'll help to warm up temperatures a little bit later on this afternoon into about the mid 50s. We get cold tonight once again, keeping those clear conditions around as temperatures fall into the 20s. But then by tomorrow, we get a little bit of an increase in cloud cover, some breezy conditions, and high temperatures into the upper 40s and lower 50s. But it'll feel a little bit more like the mid to upper 40s thanks to those breezy conditions. Otherwise, we begin that slow, gradual warm up on the way. By Friday, temperatures rebound back up into the mid 50s. Looks like though by this weekend, that's when we get the 60s back into the forecast, almost 10 degrees above our average of the mid 50s. So 64 by Saturday, 66 by Sunday, and that looks to continue over the next several days as well. Now the bad news is over the next 7-day forecast, we are expecting pretty dry conditions, but the Climate Prediction Center within the next 6 to 10 days is hinting on above average precipitation chances. Very slight, but still that chance to see some sort of precipitation within this time period. Bad news is it most likely will be in the form of rain rather than snow, because we are going to be in above average temperatures within the same time period. And also in terms of timing of that precipitation, keep in mind things could change, but it looks like it may be late Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning, which means if you're going to be leaving early for Christmas, you could be impacted with some precipitation. For now, though, dry and clear with abundant sunshine, a high temperature of only 56 degrees later on today, with a westerly wind at about 10 miles per hour. Keeping those clear conditions tonight as temperatures fall into the 20s, winds turn to the southwest, but they'll still be sustained at about 10 miles per hour. We stay dry over the next 7 days, so we will begin that slow warm up on the way. 64 by Saturday for the first official day of winter. Going to feel, though, not like that at all. We continue the 60s all the way through Tuesday, maybe even potentially into Christmas as well. At least for Christmas Eve, we get that increase in cloud cover. Late Tuesday and then early Wednesday morning, we get some sort of precipitation into the forecast, but again, unfortunately not waking up to most likely a white Christmas.
Yeah, not a white Christmas, but at least an easy to travel Christmas. So if you've got anywhere to go or have family coming in over the next week, I think we can all be grateful for that.
Yeah, especially since we had all of those icy conditions on Thanksgiving and the holiday travel. At least now we don't have to worry about all of that.
Yeah, maybe make up for that trip if you had to cancel it back then.
Exactly.
Kellyanne, thanks.